If you've saved a lot of places in Google Maps, such as restaurants, travel spots, or custom lists, you might want to export them into Excel for better organization or backup purposes. While Google Maps does not provide a direct Export to Excel button, you can still do this using Google Takeout and a simple conversion process. To begin, open Google Maps in your browser and click on the Save tab located on the left panel. This section contains all your bookmarked locations and custom lists. Inside Saved, click on Lists and open the specific list you want to export. This could be a travel list, restaurant guide, or any collection of saved places. Once the list is open, click the three-dot menu icon. From the available option, select Share List. This generates a shareable link for your saved places, but this step mainly helps confirm the list you are working with. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Takeout. This is Google's official tool for exporting your account data. Sign in with the same account used for Google Maps. In Google Takeout, look for Google Maps, Your Places, and select it. This includes your saved locations, labeled places, and lists. Proceed to the export settings and create an export file. Google will generate a downloadable archive containing your Maps data. Once ready, download the file to your computer. Inside the downloaded archive, your saved places are usually stored in formats like JSON or KML, depending on the export structure. These files can then be converted into Excel format using tools like spreadsheet import functions or online converters. For Excel, you can import the file in map fields such as place name, address, and coordinates into columns. This allows you to organize your saved locations in a structured spreadsheet format. While this process is not fully automatic, it is currently the most reliable method to export Google Maps saved lists into Excel-compatible data. And that's how you export saved places from Google Maps to Excel. Open your list, use Google Takeout, download your data, and convert it into a spreadsheet for easier management.